There were half as many yellow t-shirts as blue t-shirts in a box, and 15 more green t-shirts than blue t-shirts. There were 27 yellow t-shirts. How many t-shirts were left in the box when 4/5 of the t-shirts were taken out? Okay, right, where do we start? Well, the beginning is usually the best place. All right, so what have we got? We've got yellow t-shirts and blue t-shirts and green t-shirts. So let's do something for yellow, and we've got blue and we've got green. Okay, so there were half as many yellow t-shirts as blue t-shirts. Okay, so I'm going to draw a bar for yellow, and it says there were half as many yellow as blue, all right, which means there were twice as many blue as yellow. So you've got to practice using this kind of language and swapping it round. So half as many yellow as blue, which means I need to give blue twice the amount. All right, now you can see yellow has half as many as blue. Okay, so I'm happy that I've got that. And 15 more green t-shirts than blue t-shirts. So green has the same as blue. Okay, and because I like to find where these equal parts are, it's got, let's check it, 15 more green than blue. There's another extra bit here that has a value of 15. Okay, so I think I have got that bit as well. We're also told that there were 27 yellow t-shirts. Okay, let's go back to the yellow, and we now have a value for this, which is 27. Now, if this is 27, then this must also be 27, and this, and this, and this. Okay? And we're asked how many t-shirts were left in the box when 4/5 of the t-shirts were taken out. Now, we're not going to be dividing this into 4/5, but what we're going to use this model for, we need to find out how many t-shirts there were altogether. They haven't asked us for that, but we need to work that out in order to get to this answer. Okay, so how many t-shirts are there altogether in the box as represented by this model? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 27 plus 15. Okay, so we're going to do 5 times 27. That's going to give us 135. And then we need to add the 15. So 135 and 15. And that gives us 150 t-shirts. Okay, that's 150. That's all together. But the question, we have another stage to the question, don't we? It says, how many t-shirts were left in the box when 4/5 of the t-shirts were taken out? Now, you might be able to visualize what's going on here and realize that this whole amount of t-shirts is being divided into 5, into fifths, and 4 of those fifths were taken out. So we need to know the value of 1/5. But let's draw it just so that we can be really sure. So we're going to draw a bar that represents all of the t-shirts, and that's 1, and we'll divide it into fifths. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Try and find my... Okay, so this bar, right, this is all of the t-shirts. All right, of all the colors. Okay, we know that there are 150 all together. And it says how many t-shirts were left in the box when 4/5 were taken out. So if 1, 2, 3, 4/5 are taken out, this is our question mark. This is what we want to know. We want to know 1 of the fifths. So what we have to do is divide 150. We need to divide that by the 5 parts. Okay, 150 divided by 5. And you see we've got, if we have 15 divided by 5, I'm sure that you know that 15 divided by 5 is 3. But this is 15 times 10, so our answer is 3 times 10, which is 30, okay? So that means that there are 30 t-shirts in 1/5. That's what's been left over. And that is our final answer, okay? So can you see, I mean, this was pretty easy once you just thought about where all of your equal parts were, okay? And are very careful at looking at the language. What's being compared to what? What does that mean? We added that all together. That gave us the total, which we divided into fifths, and it was the value of 1 of the fifths that we wanted to know.